Okay, so we're making hair growth oil. In here we have shea butter and we have coconut oil. So we're not popping it in the microwave because we want to keep all the nutrients. So we're doing it over hot water.
We added the virgin.
And then we use the extra virgin olive oil. Is that what we?
The virgin hair growth thing.
The virgin hair growth.
Oh, you no.
So these are all the oils we be adding. We have black walnut oil. We have black walnut oil. We have extra virgin olive oil. We have organic hemp oil. We have avocado oil. We have flaxseed and manoi. Argan oil. Omega therapy moringa oil. Vitamin E oil. And black castor oil. Did I get all of them? No.
The big ones.
And then the wild growth oil.
Did you do the?
Yeah, the avocado and the. So we're putting them all in here.
Mommy, but you're just trying them. You said you wanted them.
And then we're gonna add it to. All right, there you have it. That is all the oils that we use for this hair growth mixture. If you are interested, you can just create this. And if you do not want to create it, you can always purchase from the link I'm gonna leave below. You can just go to that Instagram and order your hair growth oil. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, do all the things. Bye.